A few days ago, we had the release of the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo, and I've seen a lot of people complaining about the way the material of the shoe look. And today, I'm here to use my shoe to put my Toro Bravo 4 in danger for ya, because today I'm gonna use this Suede brush to see if we can bring these shoes back to life, or actually just give these shoe a little bit of life, because the material of the shoe, yeah, we already know how this shoe is looking like. But with this little item right here, I'm gonna do something that I'm sure you're gonna like a lot. So stay here for that. Leave a like if you appreciate the content, and subscribe if you like what you're about to see. Now, enough of just talking. Let's go with this video. So first, let's take a look at the shoe. This is the way the Toro Bravo comes straight out of the box. Take a look at the material. Actually, I don't think it's as bad as people are saying, but I get where this is coming from. You know, this material is not what we have seen in other shoes. Like I said, the Lakers 4s that have a super nice suede material. And even though this is more like a nubuck, that actually, if you have the shoes, you'll see that these should have a really nice feeling, but we don't have that two-tone motion that we all love. So let's take a last look at that. See, this is the way the shoe is gonna come straight out of the box. But like I told you in the intro, we can bring these shoes back to life just with a simple suede brush. Yep, this is gonna work on these shoes as well, as I'm about to show you. And yeah, this one has been used a lot. As you can see right here, this is not a brand new brush, but you can get a brand new brush if you don't have one. Now, if you have one, well, just like me, you won't need to buy it, but this can bring these shoes back to life, or simply bring them to life, because this one has been pretty dead when it comes to the material used on this one. But again, it's Nike that we're talking about right here. Nike always have something to do with the materials of the shoe, or probably some quality control issues. But this is not actually enough. Let's just go with this, guys. With this suede brush, I'm gonna try to give a little bit of life to the suede of the Toro Bravo 4. Let's see how the shoe end up looking like after I brush this shoe with this suede brush. Let's see if this is gonna work, guys. So all you need to do is actually pretty simple. Hold on. Let me do it like this. Okay. So all you need to do is just this. Oh, hold on, this side, my bad. Just do it in circles, not super strong, because you don't want to mess the material of the shoe. But this is exactly what you're gonna do, okay? Okay, let's see if we, okay. You can see this right here, right? And I'm just starting with the process, and I can already see a little bit of life into the shoe. Yeah, I think this is gonna be pretty good. Let's do it on this side of the shoe. And also, you can use this side. This is very good as well. Just look at that. See, you can already see the results. This is a lot better than what we have straight out of the box. So yeah, this is definitely gonna make a big difference on the shoe if you like that two-tone motion suede. I mean, just look at that. That is pretty good. It's better than the way it comes. Let's do it now right here. I'm putting my shoe in danger just for you, because I don't know how this is gonna end up looking like, but so far, so good. Now see, I'm for real. This is for real. I like it. It's pretty good. It's way better than it was at the beginning, the way the shoe was looking like straight out of the box. Now we have a little bit of a two-tone motion, and you can keep doing this, you know, to have a even better result. But I think just like this, you can see that this is actually worth it. We can make these shoe looks better than the way it looks straight out of the box. We can give this shoe a little bit of life, a little bit of movement, just with a suede brush, just with this little piece right here, with this little item. We can improve the way the shoe looks, because it's all about the treatment that Nike gave to the shoe. But now look at that. That's a lot better. That's a lot better, guys. So just with these, we can make these shoes look super, super nice. The shoes definitely looking a lot better. Now we have a little bit of movement. See, this is a lot better. This is a lot better, guys. So just with this, you can get this in Amazon, or I don't know. This is pretty easy to get, and this is gonna help a lot. Even with a shoe like the Toro Bravo that have this super dead material, this is no buck, but you can put movement on the material of the shoe just with this. And let me know what you think about what just happened. Do you like the final result? Do you think this suede brush improved the way the Toro Bravo looks like? Let me know all that in the comment section. And if you appreciate the job that I'm putting through to give you all this sneaker content, just leave a like. It's free, and it's only gonna take 1 second of your time to leave a like, so leave a like for you, boy. And if you wanna see more of what I do, but outside of YouTube, make sure to follow me right here on my Instagram, JasonJKX02. Thank you guys again for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.